13th of January 2016. Today is Wednesday. Time now is 1:11 p.m. in Singapore. My name is Dylan and welcome to my daily trading analysis video. Alright, so today we're going to start off with the Australian dollar against US dollar. So what you're seeing right here is the weekly chart, and I just want to bring your attention that with Fibonacci expansion we have two levels as the final exhaustion level, and we do see that the price can still fall further as the final level based on the weekly chart is at the price of 0.6663, and the previous candle the previous week candle has shown that the downward pressure is a lot stronger, and therefore we do expect that the price will continue to fall further and break below the current previous low at 0.6917 and fall further to the next level at 0.6663. Alright, so let's zoom in the smaller time frame in the day one chart. As we know that previously there was a ascending triangle, price has broke below that signals for the price to fall further as well. So right now we would like to wait for the price to go for the sell, and therefore zooming into the 4-hourly chart, we have plotted a Fibonacci retracement, waiting for the price to retrace to the retracement level of 38.2%, which is at the price of 0.7100, and that has shown that there was previous support. We do see pretty much support right here. This is a pretty good level to look for the sell for the Australian dollar against the US dollar. Alright, so you may want to take note of that level to go for a sell opportunity. Alright, so that is for the Aussie against the US dollar. Next, we have the pound against the US dollar. First thing first, let's take a look at the weekly chart. We have seen that the price has broke below the 9-month low at the price of 1.4568, again signaling that the price is going to fall further, and therefore let's look at the smaller time frame in the straight away into the 1-hourly chart. We have seen that there was previously a falling trend channel, and price has already broke below that channel itself, again signaling for further depreciation, and therefore this time round we're going to zoom into the 15-minute charts and plot a Fibonacci retracement, and we'll find that the retracement level of 61.8% is which is at the price of 1.4506 is again a pretty good support resistance level for us to go for the sell again for the pound against the US dollar. Alright, so that's for the pound against the US dollar. Now, since we're talking about Australian dollar and the pound against US dollar, let's have a look at the pound against the Australian dollar. We are looking for the sell for Australia against US dollar. We are looking for the sell for the pound against the US dollar, but it seems that the pound is more weak than the Australian dollar. So if we talk about the pound against the Australian dollar, we are looking at further depreciation. Alright, so let's have a look at the weekly chart. We have a rising trend channel that is based on the weekly charts. Alright, and now let's zoom a little bit. Don't mind about the indicators right here, but we do see that the price has yet to reach the bottom of the rising trend channel, and therefore that gives us a prospect that the price will fall further till it reaches the bottom of the rising trend channel. Alright, and also do take note that the rising trend channel has been going on for quite some time. There is a possibility the price may break lower than that. Alright, anyway, let's zoom into the smaller time frame. In the 4-hourly chart, we see that there is a falling trend channel, so that also signals that the price will fall further, and therefore we are looking for the sell opportunity into the smaller time frame. In the 1-hourly chart, we have seen that the price has got resisted at the retracement level of 30.2%, pretty strong support turned resistance level right here. Therefore we've seen the price begins to fall, and hopefully the price will be able to retrace back to the retracement level of 38.2% at the price of 2.0692 again for us to go for the sell. Alright, so just take note of this level, expect the price to fall further from here, a lot more further to the bottom of the falling trend channel, or rather the major rising trend, the bottom of the major rising trend channel based on the weekly charts. All right, so that's for the pound against Australia dollar. Next, we have the euro against the pound. All right, so first let's take a look at the weekly charts. Alright, so we have a falling trend channel that is happening in the weekly chart, and therefore we are expecting that the price right now price is already at the bottom of the falling trend channel, and therefore expect the price to appreciate further from the bottom towards the top. And when we look at the day one chart, we have also seen that one of the key resistance level has been broken, which is at the price of 0.7482. Therefore, expect the price to appreciate further as well. So right now we shall just zoom in the smaller time frame in the 1 hourly chart to look for a buying opportunity. So again, with the retracement level, with the Fibonacci retracement, the retracement level of 61.8% at the price of 0.7403 seems to be one of the best support level for the price to rebound and appreciate further from there. As you can see that it was previously a very key resistance level. Alright, probably slightly higher, that maybe somewhere around here. Alright, so it is slightly above the 61.8% retracement level. So just take note of this region to go for a buy opportunity. Alright, so and also based on the structure we have right now, we do expect that the price will fall further before it continues to appreciate. Alright, so we are expecting a major retracement followed by a very strong rebound and continuation of appreciation towards the top of the falling trend channel based on the weekly charts. Alright, so let's have a look at the euro against the US dollar. So since we are kind of slightly bullish on the euro, and let's take a look at the euro against the US dollar. We have seen that based on the weekly chart. Oh, sorry. Let's go to day one chart. The price. Right. So in the day one chart, we've seen that previously there was a very strong appreciation right here as price almost reached the previous low at 1.0463. Alright, and therefore we are expecting that the price will be able to retrace even further from here after the consolidation right here has completed, and we find that it is we felt that it is about to finish. So let's zoom into the smaller time frame in the 4 hourly chart. Alright, back to the day one chart again. We expect the price to appreciate all the way at least till the price of 1.1115 before we see the price begins to fall. Alright, we can see that was a previous a very key support and resistor and support again, and support right here as well. So this level is pretty strong with Fibonacci retracement 50%. So let's zoom in the smaller time frame in the 4 hourly chart. If I plot a Fibonacci retracement from the bottom to the top right here, we have seen that the price has rebounded off strongly based at the retracement level of 61.8%. So from here, we do expect the price to appreciate further, and of course, with the fact that the price has already broke above the top of the falling trend channel, that's another reason for us to go for the to expect the price to appreciate further, and therefore we will wait for a buy opportunity. And therefore, into the smaller time frame, in the 1 hourly chart, again based on Fibonacci retracement, we are waiting for the price to retrace all the way to the retracement level at 61.8%, almost touching, alright, at the price of 1.0808. But based on the 4 hourly chart, we also see that the key support level is slightly below the 61.8%, which is at the price of 1.0803. So again, back to the 1 hourly chart, we're waiting for the price to retrace one more time back to the level here to go for a buy. Alright, so that is for the euro against the US dollar. Last but not least, dollar against the Japanese yen. Weekly chart, in the day one chart itself, we expect the price to fall further to the key support at 116.07, as you can see right here, the key support level here. Alright, so the price has already broke below the previous support at 117.13, therefore expect the price to fall further. And straight away zooming in into the 1 hourly chart, we have seen that there is a falling trend channel. Price is about to reach the top of the falling trend channel. and therefore we expect the price to continue to fall from here and back to the day one chart again. This level itself at 118.49 is also a key support level previously, so we expect the price the level here 118.49 to be very strong, and expect the price to fall once it retraces to that level and at the top of the falling trend channel. Alright, so that's all for today, and thank you for watching. I'll see you again tomorrow.